but they definitely need the 3 points if they want to keep up the chase on Medium ISC.
The home side, Sports India, white, green, and yellow jerseys, yellow stockings over black shorts, and Asante Kotoko, dominant red and white jerseys here at the dance park in Bibiani. Asante Kotoko claimed the silverware at this venue before the start of the season. Weekends games in the Premier League. So 5 changes for Kotoko from the Chelsea drawn game, and Zito has also been pegged back.
Tackle, it could be accidental, but that is the threat Samuel Atakumi offers.
Free kick for Bibiani. From the left wing is going to be an in-swinger from the wide man, and he's blasted it over the bar. Poorly switches one, but it's headed away by Joseph Armour. Yakubu Dogo, good hold-up play, but the final ball had too much on it for Aqua. The movement of Donzo. Here is Donzo, goes past his marker, but Donzo loses possession in the critical area.
That was quite a very good offensive work coming in there from Rafi Ibrahim. He sends that danger.
When Dada sends a cross, it's cleared away by Atinga.
Well, that was quick passing between Amwa and then Saka Dauda, but the final delivery couldn't find the intended target. You can trust Vincent Atinga if you want the ball to get past him.
In the middle, that ball came from Justice Arta, but the final effort from Prince Opoko Ajiman. Switch one to Donzo. Now Donzo goes with a right-footed delivery that is making no impact.
It was quite surprising he went in with his weaker foot. I'm expecting him to at least pull that cut back for Donzo. He was approaching. He tried to find Peter Amidu at the far post, but that was quite poor execution from him.
Opoko Ajiman wants the space for Stage J. Lovely tense. That's a good clearance by the Kotoko captain. Ajiman's delivery just goes out for a goal kick.
That was
Saka Dauda. Amwa makes the run. Now Saka to Amwa. He sends a cross, and again is Atinga. Saka Dauda swings in across. Aqua lurking. Nothing positive. In the end, there's a foul. Quickly picks out Donzo from the throne. Here is Donzo. Goes past his marker. Donzo. Great save by Kobe. Corner Asante Kotoko. Good reflexes by the Goldstars goalkeeper.
That was fantastic play there. Quick throw in. And once it got to Marvin Donzo. Look at that cutback. And a brilliant effort going for the near post. Sharp reflexes. This is a...
Lord Amwa swings one to the near post. Away by Amon Kote. Returned by Gyawu. Amwa. Aqua couldn't pick out Amwa, but Gyawu wins possession from Saka. He goes down. There's a clumsy challenge from Richard Amon Kote. Kotoko free kick.
Very impressive play there. Lots of confidence, how he carries the ball. Quick feet. And he has that ability to get past his man, Amon Kote there. He's caught flat-footed and had to only make that challenge. Saka would have gotten that ball onto his favorite left foot, and that would have been dangerous.
Free kick for Asante Kotoko. Lord Amwa swings one in and is flicked away by Ofori. Not out of danger, and is plucked firmly by Emmanuel Kobe.
That was quite the ball aiming for far post.
Typical Atakumi, who lays one to Nkua. Again, Lord Amwa comes in the way of Nkua. A champon. Atakumi. A J. Enso wins. So that's the drive that goes over the pass. He did well to shove off the challenge from Samba O'Neill, but the effort just rising above.
Great show of strength there from Opoko Ajiman. It's quite impressive. Good strength, upper body, making sure the Samba O'Neill was going to struggle for that, but look at that delivery from Ating.
Filled by Yube Joe. Was nearly obstructed by Julian. That's what to find. Saka Dauda swings in a cross, and Donzo is not meeting the cross. He falls to Aqua. Aqua sends another cross in and is away by Atinga. Opoko Ajiman picks out Atakumi, and here is Dogo. Wants the space to drive. Is blocked by Ofori. Headed away by Rafiu. Not out of danger as Aqua Lexon finds control. Samba O'Neal. Hubert Joe switches to Lord Armour on the right. Good 1-2 between Armour and Kotoko. Here comes Lord Armour. Clever tracking back. Clever defending from Samuel Cham. Kumi up against Prince Badu. Atakumi unable to skip past Badu. He gets a corner for his effort.
You can quite understand there. Forster had to hit.
A champon swings one to the far post. Atinga is arriving with a header. Cleared away by Henry Enso. Throwing across the field now. Morifin Donzo shows great desire. Donzo. Now Gyawu into space. He drives. He's blocked by Atinga. Saka with a cross. Header by Yakubu, and it's a good save by Kobe again. Yakubu Dogo, first attempted goal in the Kotoko jersey, and Kobe had to rise to the occasion.
He knew he could have done better. Quick steal there from Ubejo. One second out and got that ball. An in-swinger. Looks like a ricochet off the shoulder of Dogo. He wanted it quite better, but couldn't.
Kamara is called to duty. He responds with a big clearance, and that's the whistle to wrap up the first half of this day. Saka with a cross. Nobody's arriving for Kotoko. Rafiu gets it away under pressure. There's a corner to Asante Kotoko.
Lots of pressure.
Lodama swings in a corner, and Kobe gets it away for another Kotoko corner.
He was aiming for a goal. Very.
Lodama bends one in, headed away by Amonkote. Gyawu to Armour, gets it back. Here is a J, wins the ball legitimately. He puts one through for Atakumi. Flag goes up. Atakumi is offside. Morifin Donzo up against Atinga. Is an awkward clearance from the Goldstars captain. Saka traps it down. Gyawu back to Saka Dauda. Kotoko tries to create a chance to score. Saka to the near post. Atinga gets it away. Freda switches one to Morifin Donzo. He's got Yakubu Dogo on the right. He finds Yakubu Dogo, brings it back for Saka, drives one in, blocked by Atinga, controlled by Edward Ajiman. But they've not cleared the danger, Goldstars. Dogo, brilliant save by goalkeeper Kobe. Lovely effort from Yakubu. Sends a teasing cross, and Atinga gets it away. Opoko Ajiman. AJ. Edward Ajiman. No one is there for Goldstars.
Right back.
Chance for Goldstars. Good work by Donzo. Amonkote. Edward Ajiman. Lord Armour, heavy touch. Throw it. Joseph Armour. That's all to pick out Peter Amiduakwa. Comes up against Foster J. Lovely skill goes down. And it's a free kick. The moment Lord Armour is an action-packed second half. We're witnessing. Good ball to Morifin Donzo. Donzo, Saka. Lord Armour. Morifin Donzo. Good dummy. Donzo. Good defensive organization. They will try to use a side to advantage. They'll be getting the long balls in for him. But for Kotoko, they'll be depending on moves like this. Here is Saka. Dogo. Oh, lovely, brilliant, excellent tackle by Vincent Atinga. This is what you expect from your captain. Leadership by example.
Experience overflowing in that defensive end. He knew exactly what to do to prevent Dogo from getting onto the attack. Quick sliding tackle. No man, just
Armour. This time it's Joseph Armour who delivers. Henry Ansu got there, made no contact. Advantage to deliver. He bends one into the Goldstars box. And Yakubu Dogo's header goes off target for a goal kick.
It was quite another player.
Lord Armour delivers. Samba O'Neal heads it into the net. And referee whistles. There was an infringement and the goal will not count. But Samba O'Neal rose and just hit the ball into the net from the header, but it won't count.
It was quite surprising. You look at that delivery there coming in from Lord Armour. Inusa had virtually, and look at that. Looks like How is that? There was nothing in there. There was nothing in there. I think Tulenono might have missed.
In BBN, here's Inusa Adam for Asante Kotoko with a cross, and Kobe does well. Again, he steps up for Gold Stars really well. You can see Henry Ensu with a drive, took a deflection on Inusa. Good block by Atinga. Acrobatically cleared by Chire. And Sambo O'Neill prefers anywhere